Does the best car insurance actually exist? A lot of people are preoccupied with looking for the best car insurance companies. The best one is the one who will tell you what you need exactly. Unfortunately, every provider seems more interested in making profit from you. This is why most of the insurance product search job is left for you to do, and you cannot base your choice on someone else's coverage option, because your needs are different from theirs. You should be after the right one for you. How do you get the right insurance? The type of coverage largely depends on the type of vehicle you are driving. If you own one whose price is not within the luxury scale, you can opt for liability, fire damage and theft coverage. The usual vehicle coverage covers collision, damage to another car, fire damage and car theft. If your car is expensive, it is wise to get comprehensive coverage on top of the basic liability minimum requirement. On the other hand, if you drive a 6-year-old, low-priced automobile, it would be economical to just pay for insurance with low premiums. Repairs of an inexpensive car are likely to be cheap, so you do not need expensive coverage. One of the cheap car insurance tips is to choose a low-priced vehicle. Who else apart from you will be driving your car? The number of drivers also affects the cost. Generally, the more drivers there are, the higher the cost is. In the long run, adding drivers to your vehicle coverage becomes an overpriced option. This is why many owners just include other drivers on a temporary insurance. Does age affect the insurance price? Yes, it does. The cost of car insurance is inversely proportional to age. Why is it that teens have to pay high coverage costs? The inexperience of teenagers is the huge factor in the high cost. There are cheap car insurance tips for teens, but teens generally have to contend with the relatively pricey car insurance. The cost will go down, anyway, after they gain experience and develop a good driving record. Drivers who want to avail of inexpensive car coverage in the future should develop a good driving record. This means a clean record with no involvement in road accidents and no claims. If your record shows no claims bonus in the past, then you are likely to avail of insurance price discounts in the future. Your provider will assume that you will not make claims in the future. Hardly any car owner can make coverage choices alone. Advice is always available. You can get advice from a friend or associate. Independent consultants can significantly improve your choice. On the other hand, you can also rely on car insurance calculators. Do not hurry when looking for car insurance providers. Figure out what you need first before looking for the right product. To figure out what kind of coverage you need, you have to consider your driving behavior, the type of vehicle you have and the minimum state requirement. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.